Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Let's discuss the Nifty 50 chart, analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll find out important levels for the next week. And along with that, I will share the USD INR chart also to discuss important levels. So, to know the Nifty 50 levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market updates. So let's start video first of all with the USD and INR chart, and then we'll go for the Nifty 50 chart. So I have opened the USD INR discuss in detail. To the previous video I have shared that USD INR means our Indian rupees is on the way ahead to touch the 100 100 rupees per dollar. And what all happened? This was the high, or I can say for the INR it is all time low, which was 96.96, means it has reached to the 97 of rupees per dollar on, I can say, Wednesday, 20th of May. It has touched its lowest level of 97 around, and then from there started coming back. Started, I can say, this red means falling, means it is recovering. So it started recovering from the 97 levels, and for 2 days, I can say Thursday and Friday, 2 days it has recovered very nicely, almost 1 rupees, means from 97 to it has reached to the lowest level of 95 around. So 97 cent 95.59, I can say, which is around more than 1 rupees. It has recovered, it has means rebounded, or touched the even lowest level of even closed also lowest level at 95.68. The level can, it may reach, can be the this level of 95.3, around 95 तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है, but I can say yes, definitely it may reach to the level of 95.3. Again it may start taking here, taking support, which is 20 EMA also for this you blue line, and then it may take support, and they then again it start means Indian rupees start falling, going back to this level. But 97 level will be the mark, up to the mark. Indian rupees should not break it, otherwise then definitely it will go ahead to the level of 100 rupees per dollar. So almost a little bit recovery definitely happened, but still it is not in safer zone, because coming back, coming breaking this and coming more downside in real world, we can say falling more, then it will be the safer zone, means positive sign, rupees is recovering. Otherwise still it is in danger, means again it may go, it may fall more and go again back to the level of 97. So we need to watch in next week, is it coming here, recovering till here, again it is started falling, or it is recovering more, breaking this and recovering more. So we have to watch. But looks like as Brent oil is also above the $100, so looks like abhi situation news is not that positive. So let's see what happens is next week. But please keep these levels in your mind, that the 97 is very important, crucial level, should not break it, and should not fall more from here, Indian rupees. And 95.3 is the level which will be breaking this, which will be very good for INR. So keep these level in your mind, 97 and 95.3. Now let's quickly discuss the Nifty 50 chart and what all happening here. We'll see, I have already discussed the gap filling theory in my Saturday video for Nifty Bank, and very accurately the Nifty Bank has filled the gap which I kept talking in my previous video of gap filling theory. Nifty Bank has filled that gap, and if we talk about Nifty 50, it has almost, it has also filled this gap almost the lower level you can see, which is 23,260 around, and the level of completely filling this gap will be 23,150. So almost the Nifty 50 also has filled the gap from 23,150 to the level of 23,828. I can say this gap is almost filled by Nifty 50, and from there it has recovered. Nifty 50 has recovered, taking crucial resistance at the level of 20 MA, this blue line, which is 23,850. Very, very important crucial resistance for the Nifty 50, which it is taking even long, at least 1 to 2 week. It is taking resistance here 23,850. It is not able to break till now. So still I'm sticking with this important crucial resistance of 23,850. But yes, of course, breaking this, it will take Nifty 50 to the level of 200 EMA, this red line, and which is 24,600 around. This will be the very, very strong resistance for the Nifty 50. But let first reach here, this Nifty 50. Right. Now support will be definitely 23,000. This swing low of 23,260. But yes, this will be the important support of 23,150 will be actually very important, crucial level. So I will be sticking in this range of 23,150 to the level of 23,850. But yes, be ready for the 24,600 if it's breaking 23,850. This is a backup resistance, but I'm sticking for this short term this week with the 23,850 only. Because yes, of course, USD, INR, I have discussed, INR has recovered, rebounded, and but Brent oil is still above the $100. So we need to watch all the important key things for the next week prediction. So I'll repeat the Nifty 50 level again. Important support is definitely 23,150. Important resistance is 23,850. I have shared the Bharti Airtel video with the Q4 result, fundamental and important buying levels. Also, if you are interested to buy this fundamentally strong stock with the very good news of this stock, I will share that video in I button. Please check that video definitely so that you will be aware with the important levels. And Saturday video of Nifty bank level, very important. I will share both the video link. Please check both the video, and like and share this video with your friends, and subscribe the channel for stock market updates. Signing off.